Welcome to your last practical of Friday. If you're watching this video, it's because usually I did a video demonstration of the labs of where I am for the groups on Friday. But now I am just going to show you a little bit of my lab in UNSW for this group on Friday, because most probably I won't be here. I'll be at home demonstrating with you. So I showed last Wednesday about my work, my lab slash lab store fieldwork setting in UNSW. So some of you all may know that I'm actually a PhD student based in UNSW, but also in Sydney. So I have best of both worlds. Basically Hannah Montana without the guitar. So anyway, I'll show you a bit of my lab setting slash field store. So what do we have over here? We have minus 26 degrees refrigerators, which contains DNA samples, marine samples, and then we do have a refrigerator as well. So let's have a look. What do we have inside the refrigerator? The negative 16. Ooh, there is some cockles over here. What are those? I'll let Sean explain to you what are those. And then you have my sample over here. Yep, these are all my oyster samples. And yep, that's where I keep most of my samples. Interesting, eh? Alright, so this is now the marine field store. So we have variety of assemblages of pelican cases. So as you can see, we have different colors, different types. So all these little boxes are what we call pelican cases. And pelican cases are good because you can bring them to the field. They are knock-proof, as in they are really good, they're hard sturdy. And some of them are waterproof as well. So you see you have more pelican cases. And then we have, as a marine lab, we usually have a bunch of aquaria. Well, we don't have any live storage or organisms, but yeah, we do have it. And if all aquariums, we have bubbling systems to help to go and bubble things. So these are just temporary storage. We don't run experiments over here. What do we have? We have pumps, air pumps. Alright, over here we have this little thing. This is actually a vacuum suction. So what it does is actually it's if you want to dry wet sediment samples or marine samples which you take from estuaries, you suck up and you use the pump. It's a pretty old school method, but that's to measure dry weight of sediment. Alright, yep, so this is a storage place. What do we have over here? We actually have this portable freezer. So for days which you are going out to the field, sometimes you collect DNA samples or any samples, you need to go and put it directly into a cold storage, but you don't really have it. So that's where a portable freezer comes in. It's pretty huge. And it's also compatible with the power sockets in the vehicles or the utes, which is great. This is interesting. I didn't show this on the group. So this is what we call a Sekidis. So what happens is that when you go out into estuaries or rivers, that's to measure the turbidity. So you lower this down into the water, and until you are not able to see the black and white, means that depth is at which that's the turbidity or the clarity of the estuary. So there's a heap of ropes over there to show you. Well, I didn't show that in the previous Wednesday group, so you're lucky. What do we have? We also have some old machines over here, which once helps to go and take refractive index detector. So it's a bunch of old machines that are no longer being used. And that's pretty much it. That's actually a field storage of a lab. And I'll end the view with a dreary view of UNSW in rain. Yep, you can see people over there. And that's it from me. Hope you enjoy this little, you want to call it a vlog or a little tour of my small lab in the university. Bye-bye. See you and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.